how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this feature of Google, which is the Google Docs. And the first thing we're going to do is you're going to open a document. Now after doing that, you're going to look over here on the top. We would have this options called extension. We're simply going to select this, and then we're going to click on add-ons. Then we're going to click on Get Add-ons, and we will be able to see the Google Workspace Marketplace for the different add-ons that we could use on our Google Docs. We're simply going to click on the search bar, and then we're going to type in ChatGPT. As you can see over here, there are a lot of options that we have. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm simply going to click on Install, then click on Continue, and we're going to click on our account, going to allow it. We're going to click on Next, and then Done. And after that, we could simply click on Extensions once again, and then we would be able to see GPT for Sheets and Docs over here. And we could simply click on the Launch sidebar. And just like that, we are now able to use GPT for our Google Docs. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.